just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test.
You're late as fuck. Disappointment.
Now look at your 14.
What?
Oh
my God, he failed.
In Red Wing. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.450
Oh my God, you failed.
serving listeners.
There we go. Hopefully you go around. Redo it.
The National Weather Service, Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning on certain weather across central and southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service, Chanhassen, every Wednesday p.m. If severe weather threatens the area's normal test time, tests will be postponed until next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for select watches statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.